Hi family, welcome to Jackson 100%. Today, we're back with a very important video because many of you have already asked me why your phone starts having weak, muffled sound or a speaker that crackles. The cause is often simple: dust, a bit of moisture, or small debris stuck in the speaker. In this video, we're going to see together how to clean your speaker easily without opening your phone and without any complicated tools. We'll use a very simple method thanks to TikTok. Stay until the end because I'm going to explain everything clearly. Why does the speaker get dirty? Every day, your phone accumulates dust from your pockets, your bags, or your surroundings. Over time, these particles stick in the speaker grill. This is what makes the sound weak, muffled, or vibrate strangely. Moisture also plays a role. Rain, steam, sweat. When it dries, it leaves traces that affect the sound. That's why it's essential to clean your speaker regularly. Prepare your phone. Before starting, take your phone and make sure everything is working properly. Remove your case if it covers the speaker area. Wipe the surface with a dry cloth to remove external dust. Make sure your phone has enough battery for the whole process. Open TikTok. Now, take your phone and open TikTok. If the app isn't installed, you can download it for free. Once on the main screen, go to the top search bar. Search for Speaker Cleaner Sound. In the search bar, type Speaker Cleaner Sound. Start the search. TikTok will show several videos designed to clean speakers using vibrating frequencies. Choose an effective video. You'll see several contents with titles like Speaker Cleaner, Water Eject Sound. Clean your speaker. Just choose a video with good reviews and good sound quality. Open the video. Turn the volume to maximum. Before playing the sound, turn your volume all the way up. The vibrations need to be strong enough to dislodge the dust. This method is safe for your phone. Play the cleaning sound. Press play. You'll hear a low, high, or intense sound, sometimes a bit strange. This is normal. Let the phone vibrate without covering the grill. Do not touch anything. The vibrations will expel dust or moisture. During cleaning, you may even see some debris come out if the speaker was very clogged. Repeat the cleaning several times. When the video ends, test your speaker. If the sound is still not perfect, play another video of the same type. Repeat the cleaning as many times as needed until you get a clear sound. Test the speaker. Play a song or video you know well. Listen to see if the sound is clearer, if the bass is better defined, and if the muffled effect has disappeared. If yes, the cleaning worked. If not, start a new session. Tips to prevent it from happening again. Avoid dusty pockets. Clean your case regularly. Avoid very humid places. Wipe your phone with a dry cloth each week. Use a cleaning sound regularly if you listen to a lot of music. There you go, family. Now you know how to clean your speaker using TikTok. It's a simple, free, and very effective method. If you notice an improvement, let me know in the comments. Share the video to help others. And subscribe to Jackson 100% for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.